When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Jessica. Today I'm doing a kitchen cleaning routine for you guys, and I'm using my new fall scents from Grove. If you guys are not members of Grove, you definitely should check out the deal that they are having right now. You can get the set that I have and I'm using today for free. All you have to do is spend 20 bucks, which is an amazing deal, and I really recommend checking it out. The link is in the description. I'll talk more about it in a bit, but that is the products that I mainly used in this video because I was really excited about the fall scents. They have the new pumpkin. It's not my favorite. Apple cider is still my favorite, and I really like mum as well, but the pumpkin's not bad, and the packaging is super cute. So that's mainly what I'm using, and I'm excited about the music I chose for this week. It's really upbeat and fun, so I'm going to sit back and let you guys listen to that. Shaken but not stirred, just a lesson that I've learned, and so it goes. Tables turn, and you're on your own. When I think about the way, when I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better.
Everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you, don't wanna show.
So I'm fixing to show you how I clean my microwave. I'm just putting some water into this bowl, and then I'm adding a couple drops of lemon essential oil just to make it smell good, no particular reason. And then I put that in the microwave. I usually do 6 minutes, just enough for it to get really steamy in there, and then everything in there just wipes off completely, just like magic. It's so easy, no chemicals. I love cleaning my microwave this way. It's the only way I'll do it. I never spray any cleaners in there. I only do it this way, and I highly recommend trying it this way if you haven't. You see something exploded in there, and it's been cooked over and over and over, so it's really hard and stuck on there, but using this method, it will wipe right off. And I was making some sweet tea. I do have a recipe for this. If you guys are interested, I will have a card go across now, so you can check that out. It is an older video, but it's still the way I make my tea. It's always been the way, and I really like my tea. A lot of people compliment me on my sweet tea, so if you want to check that out, like I said, you can click that card and go watch it after this video.
This ain't no sugar-coated love. I'll stay in bed. I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why. This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories. Now the sun's gone down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
To the end of a one-way street. Wish I could wake up, but it's not a dream.
So now I'm just going through this cabinet here where we mostly keep our cereal and some snacks, and all of those cereal boxes that you're going to see me throw away were empty. I don't know what is wrong with my family. I guess they don't know how to throw stuff away, but just in case somebody was going to have a fit about that, they were empty. Hard to find. Wish I could go back, turn the hands of time. Need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care. These memories haunting me. I keep asking why. So to tell you guys a little bit more about the Grove deal, if you're not familiar, Grove Collaborative is a website that has a ton of different household products, not just cleaning. They have all kinds of stuff. And I am a customer of theirs. I have been for about a year. I buy stuff with my own money. I really enjoy it. It does auto ship, but you never are committed. You do not have to have everything shipped that month. I go on there. They will send me an email and say, hey, we're fixing to ship out your products. Do you need anything? Do you need to change anything? And some months I go in and just take everything out of my cart because I don't need anything. And other months I will add things. Other months I will just switch things out. But you're not committed to buying something every month. You just become a member, and that's where I like to get a lot of my cleaning products, the Caldrea products that you guys see me use. That's where I get them. And Miss Meyers, they have all of the scents on there. Sometimes they're a little harder to find in stores, and they are cheaper for the most part. I've done some research and I've found that for the most part, their products are cheaper than what you can buy in store. But I really like them. I like for what they stand for, and I like these campaigns they do because I think it's an amazing deal. Honestly, I don't even know how they can get away with it for you guys to get the dish soap, the hand soap, the multi-surface spray, and that removable head dish scrubber for free. And all you have to do is spend $20. If you go through my link, it will take you right there, and you guys can check it out. Check out the new fall scents. I love apple cider and mum. Pumpkin's really good too. And yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions about it, definitely let me know in the description box. I will try and help you guys figure out anything that you might be confused about.
Looking at you, you're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me. Got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up before you leave. If you haven't already, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
You're glowing in the dark.